Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the additional, not in today's newspaper, no, because in today's newspaper we have only one regular Sudoku and it's a medium Sudoku. In today's newspaper on Monday, October the 25th, 2021, we have no additional, so I've decided to solve the additional of Monday, October the 18th, 2021. Last week, yes, because the additionals, Saturday I've solved, the Thursday I've solved, Wednesday. So one additional is left from last week, yes. And there are three puzzles left. Letter Sudoku, two-star Sudoku, and a tectonic with one star. But first, we will solve the letter Sudoku. And this one will be number 3585. Yeah, 3585. Let me 3585. And before I start, I always count the printed letters or digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the one star, two stars, 27, this is 7. If you compare with the one star, two stars, three stars, and the four stars, this is a one star. For one star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, for letter Sudoku, I need more time because it's totally different than with digits. We have here in the letter Sudoku 9 letters, and every time the letters are different. Well, in a regular Sudoku with digits, those numbers are the same, 9 the same numbers. So we have a B, the G, the L, the E, the I, the S, the F, the A, and the R. All right. For a letter Sudoku with 27 printed letters, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. We'll see. All right. So let's get started. Let me see. Which letter can I use? How about 3 missing letters in this big square? One of the missing letter is an A. We see here an A, no A in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the A should be there. 2 missing letters in this big square. The B is missing. And the S is missing. B and S. We see here B, no B there. B should be here and S goes there. Alright. And we have a pair. B and I in this column. The B and I in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the B and I should be in those 2 boxes. Alright. So what are the other 3 numbers in the letters in the last column? Those missing letters are the letters. The S is missing. The F is missing, and the R is missing. SFR. Well, we see here an R, no R there. So the R could be here, could be there. We see here an S, no S there. So the S could be here, could be there. And the F could be everywhere. Let me mark those. What are the other 2 letters in this big square? Those letters are, let me see. Those letters are the A is missing and the E is missing. We see an E, no E there. E should be here. And the A goes there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an A. We see an A, no A in these 3 boxes. There an A, no A in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the A. Should be there. Oh, the A, not the E. The A. Okay. Okay. So we have an E in the third row, E in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the E should be there. Alright. And we have a pair. The A and the L in the first row, the A and the L in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the A and the L should be in those 2 boxes as a pair. A and the L. So F and the R. We have an R here. So the only place for the R, I've overlooked this R. F and the R. So we have R in this row, R in the second row. So first row, the only place for the R should be there. So 2 letters are missing, the S and the F. We have a S there, no S there. S should be here, and the F goes there. Okay, overlooked this R. So 1 missing a letter in the second row for the letter G. G is missing. We have a G in this first row, G in the second row. So the third row, the only place for the G should be there. G in this column, G in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the G should be here or there. We see that G, no G there. G should be there. G in this row, G in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the G should be here or there. We see there G, no G there. G should be here. G in the third column, G in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the G should be here, here, or there. We see there G, no G there. Here G, no G there. The only place for the G should be there. 2 missing letters in the third row. Those letters are the B and the F. We have a F there, no F there. F should be here, and the B goes there. And I've solved the word fiberglass. Yes, it's fiberglass in 7 minutes. Okay, but let me continue with the puzzle. Need to complete this puzzle. S in the last row, S in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the S should be here or there. We see there an S, no S there. S should be there. F in this column, F in that column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the F should be here or there. We see there an F, no F there. F should be here. A in the first column, A in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the A should be there. Then B in this column, B in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the B should be here or there. We see there B, no B there. B should be here. B in this row, B in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the B should be here or there. We see there B, no B there. B should be there. B in the first column, B in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the B should be here or there. We see there B, no B there. B should be there. Now we have a B there. So this box can't be B anymore. That box should be a B. And this box should be an I. Okay. And all the B's are used. I can see. Letter number 1, letter B. Letter B. Is that not a song of the Beatles? Letter B, yes. All right. Okay. And now, how about the letter? Do we have all the G's? Well, it seems like I have all the G's, and all the G's are used. I can see. Letter number 2, letter G. Okay. We have I in this row, I in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the I should be there. I, F, S. S in this column. S in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the S should be there. 2 missing letters in this big square. Those missing letters are the F is missing and the I is missing. We see an I, no I there. I should be here and the F goes in there. So we have an I in this column. I in the third column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the I should be here or there. We see there an I, no I there. I should be here. I in this row. I in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the I should be here or there. We see an I, no I there. I should be here. And all the I's are used. I can see. Letter number 3, letter I. Okay. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an F. We see an F, no F in these 3 boxes. There an F, no F in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the F should be there. F in the last row, F in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places for the F should be here or there. We see there an F, no F there. F should be here. F in this column, F in that column. So the column next, the only place for the F should be there. And all the F's are used. I can see. Letter number 4, letter F. Okay. How about the S in the third column, S in the second column? So the first column, the only place for the S should be there. And all the S's are used. I can see. Letter number 5, letter S. One letter missing in this column for the letter 5. The L is missing. Yes. L in this column, L in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the L should be there. Alright. Then. How about A and the L? Yeah. 2 missing letters in this column, the A and the L. The A and the L, look, we have an L there, no L there. L should be here, and the A goes there. 1 missing letter in this big square for the letter A. So we have an A in this column, A in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the A should be there. A in this row, A in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the A should be there. And all the A's are used. I can see. Letter number 6, letter A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters 5. The E is missing and the R is missing. E and R. Let me mark those 2 boxes. E, R. Okay. So here also E and the R are missing in this row. And look, we have R there. So no R there. R should be here. And the E goes there. Okay. 1 missing letter in this big square for the letter E. 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters. E is missing. And the L is missing. E and L. We have an E there, no E there. E should be here and the L goes there. 2 missing letters in this big square The R is missing and the L is missing. We see an L, no L there. L should be here. And the R goes here. One missing letter in this column, the second column. The L is missing here. L, yeah. The L is missing. L in this row. L in the middle row. So no row below. The only place for the L should be there. Two missing letters in this big square. For the letters A and the E is missing. A and E. No. We have an A there. E is missing. And the R is missing. We have an R there. No R there. R should be here and the E goes there. Two final letters in this big square. For the letters E again and the R again. We have an R there. No R there. R should be here and the E goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Yes, told you. 15 to 20 minutes I need for a letter Sudoku with 27 printed digits. And I like this one. I really do. Fiberglass, yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku. Yes, in the additional of last week, Monday, October the 18th. Yes, see you then. Bye-bye for now.